say no, let's talk about having children and struggling throughout your life. There's no glory in doing that. No. You should have children when you are ready. So then maybe you just on any please. Love alone doesn't solve any problem. Love doesn't take put baby food on your table. You say no kwala nyama na kra ne boy ayedin. Because I buy baby wipes. And at the metono, very simple. Main board brand in it. It's about 55 CDs. The metono. With the paper, my name, other things. I always have baby wipes on me. Yes, kola. SME, they may be a big boy. I think I started asking about these things. It's a couple. And if you know, where we are ice cream, kola. Another kola, no breast milk for 1 year, 2 years ago, soon for. I will be braced and what they because you have kola, no, now want to make sure. You can't be there about proper crime. Who is the mama? Because the day I gave birth and I was holding my baby, I knew that I was going to be a single mother for the rest of my life. It was the biggest challenge ever. I had my baby, and my whole world came to easy. And because of the work that I do, I deal with these mothers really easy. The women who even go to court, drag these men to court. I've handled a lot of these maintenance cases that Nancy to me and all stress. No. So I prepare the in documents, not amako. Office some documents. It's not easy. They say, oh, fa a juma, no a juma be na say single mother be here. She's coming out of desperation and vulnerability. That's all manage money. Who approach you be no a single mother, no here boy. And then in that, boy, wait me boy na boy. Because on any da no say any situation, on any da na say one boy na. What's any situation? You deepened a pain. Ana me ma pe ade efo. Ebe fun. Kudi ade efo echi a. Se la me hin wafo. Me si mu pam pam pam. Enye se wo be ma ona wa ma me lorry fame. Me sister me kuma say incident no. Nipa kono. General manager no. Onim de o ma me sika. Kuma me de fa transport ba. Kuma sena. Anka. Nenim be go ase pa onim. The person spoke so well about him. See, when you go, mention my name to him. Because you mean we are pa. That's what the person told me. General manager no. You mean we are pa. See me call and me buy no say. But it was too heavy for me to even tell anybody. And I me guys said, this is what happened. This is what happened. But say, what bother papa. I said, what bother papa. The Chronicles of Merohinewa. I want to be in my garden one day and in my old age and maybe talk about these things because I'm still in pain. I'm not fully healed. And it's not good for me to sink myself in pain again. I need to grow out of the pain and fill my body with other hormones. I don't need all those cortisol hormones flowing into me. No. It makes me sick. Yes. It makes me sick. It makes me cry a lot. I can't hear some this year because if you don't cry, you hold in the angry emotions. Pain comes out of your body. Say be soon and I say be angry. And sometimes you need both. but it will be minimized when you get it out through the tears no sɛ be a ɛmma wa yare bebree wɔ akyi when you have a lot of backache nti ne mmaa no I'm into preventive everything. It's preventive advocacy. And how home koko na what struggle some. And me tea many nankasa na 20 years. Many used to tell me so wow, so it's been 20 years of doing this all by myself. Wow. Easy. She said me ba ho say me pedwuma ya. I have a child to take care of. I'm a single mother. I'm not coming in for sex. Sex is not even on my mind. Service me the mehwehwɛ na if my survival issue is not solved, how do I even think about sex? I don't remember meaning the harm. And if whatever you want to do, if the person is putting sex before, run away. Any man who puts sex before helping a single mother, you are just an idiot. Yes. Because the women are vulnerable. 1, 2, 3. But help her. And sex will be the icing on the cake. She will give it to you without any stress. Baby or a single mother, obe shia bema or buam. Ono ankasa the sex no kwa tata. But when you say won't you one or point be as an when you deep in her pain, she come after you. Because maybe no lawyer marry no of me hidden anger. Or maybe the mako situation be more wase my brabo. Nti eye how mama dada. And that is my hidden anger. Nti se also do de ne be come on. That is why I don't let people upset me. My anger is very dangerous. But I have an evil anger. The anger beats me I own. Oh, down dream on that. So please, for all these single mothers looking for help, if you can't help the woman, let her go. If you want to help her, develop friendship with her. Naturally, the sex will come. And then in Concorda, na a man, then now she has to struggle. No, don't do that. Yet, yet, how? I am a waffle. It's yeah. Me studio, me yes studio, and we me hangy in the kakra. My Kevin Taylor kind of studio, no. Maybe at 2026, we're ready. You're ready. Once some mobile to me table, so I be can on sana me tea. So me cry between me come in some name for the omo de brem me say me come na me to me nka. You get adasan fan with any 2026. Now I've learned not to rely on anyone for anything. Rohinawa is not needy. I'm not begging for any help. If you need me, the only thing I trade in is my time and perhaps my knowledge. So it's either I'm going on the tour to sell my books and educate the public, or you need legal services from me by way of advice or actual court work or actual legal services. Whatever it is, me didn't come back with me, you know, not sikabi and free man, but me didn't come up. That is how I operate. Me have my home. I said, who draining me? Nti me de manu asi. Prepare ho enko na en struggle. Because nkwala hwe no, as a single mother, it's not easy. Whilst the irresponsible father or the stupid father will be enjoying life, changing women, having sex, and having a normal life, and you'll be stuck with the child forever until you die. Nti no, akoma no akofom kakra ma me. Na me di san komo wi.